through a half-open shade. Coffee on the table where my cigarettes lay. Storm rolled through, but the sky's turning blue. And I'm sitting here thinking about me and you. I've walked through deserts and midnight roads, carried some scars only soldiers know. Spent half my life thinking love ain't free. Then out of the blue, she chose me. She chose me. Out of all the hearts in this town, could have had 1,000 better men around. But she looked my way, and she didn't see all the broken parts staring back at me. She saw a man I'm still trying to be, and somehow believed in what she could see. Out of every road this world could lead, Lord, she chose me. She's beautiful in ways words fall short, like a sunrise breaking on a country porch. Laughs like the wind through Tennessee trees, and it hits my soul every time she breathes. We talk about dreams like they're already ours, long highway rides underneath the stars, a little old place where the wild runs free, and a life we build. She chose me. Yeah, she chose me. Out of all the hearts in this town, could have had 1,000 better men around. But she looked my way, and she didn't see all the broken parts staring back at me. She saw a man I'm still trying to be, and somehow believed in what she could see. Out of every road this world could lead, Lord, she chose me. Mama used to say, love's a dangerous thing, a fire that burns with a wild kind of sting. But if this is the flame that sets me free, then I'll let it burn endlessly. She chose me. Now I'll never know why a woman like her in a life like mine. But every sunrise I'll make sure she sees the man she believed I could be. Out of every road this world could lead, the best one started when she chose me. Coffee's gone cold and the day's calling me, but I'm smiling still, 'cause she chose me.